So this is exactly how I was able to fix my Marshall Major 5 headphones not charging. So basically what I found out is that when they're not charging, quite often it's going to be cable issues. So if you have the old cable that you are charging with, try to use another one. So I had this one also laying around. It has to be one of those USB-C ends here, as you can see. And then also obviously turn it off. I'm just gonna click on this button here to turn it off. You know that it's off when it's no lights shining here, as you can see. Then I'm just gonna insert the USB-C end here. It's a bit hard when I'm filming, so I'm just gonna do so right now. Just gonna insert it here, and perfect. You can see the USB-C end is inserted, and the other, I'm using one of those. It's for my Mac actually, but you don't have to have this one specifically, just something that fits, of course. So you can see now it's connected to the power outlet here, and now when it shines yellow like this, it means that it's now being charged. So yeah, basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.